As adults are restricted indoors in this unprecedented lockdown, so are children and young adults. And phone becoming a child's best friend. So are tablets, iPads, even computers. But the question remains, is there excessive screen time and bad postures which is leading to the misuse of all these items available to us? Medical experts have a word of caution. Children lying on the bed, crouched on chairs and perhaps not really in tune with their body postures while constantly staring into the screen can face some serious negative impacts. Top medical experts tell us what precisely should parents and children be wary of while they are hooked to the screens for education and leisure purposes. Let's begin. Remember, the child is constantly looking into the screen, whether it is online classes, a virtual classroom that is currently being conducted across the country, just playing games, just keeping oneself entertained. I'm now joined by Dr. Naveen Sakhuja. He's a senior consultant ophthalmologist in the National Capital, Delhi. And Dr. Sakhuja, we were talking about dryness, we were talking about impact on eyes of children. What is it precisely? What would be your advice as a doctor to parents and their children to ensure that the screen time is not misused?
Screen time causes both dryness as well as some amount of muscle weakness. The dryness is caused because when you're staring at a screen for a continued amount of time, it's like a partial hypnotic state, and that staring of the screen sort of reduces the amount of blink rates of the eye across the board for all age groups, not just children, even for adults. This reduction of the blink rate is actually what leads to the dryness, and the dryness will manifest with irritation, grittiness, dry, burning eyes. Children will complain that there's a pinching sensation in the eye, and so on. The other thing is that because the screen viewing is at a distance of about 30 to 45 centimeters, there is both the eyes are constantly converged like this. Both eyes turn inwards, and because it's converged, the eye muscles get tired, and the children will complain of pain here along the brow by the end of the day. Now, what should we do about this? You have to be a little practical about it and be judicious about the screen time. So you have to cut down screen time. That's one. So for children where there is unnecessary excessive amount of screen time on entertainment and things like that, maybe you can cut that down. Other things that you can do is a little bit of hot compresses on the eye maybe twice a day.
Now remember, at an age when children should be playing outdoors, indulging in physical activity, they are restricted indoors. It's not an easy time either for their parents to keep them entertained or children themselves, as their developing bodies are restricted in four walls. This, according to experts, can have an impact on their mental health as well. How to ensure that they are not stressed? What are the options that the parents can explore for their children to keep them entertained, keep them healthy? Here's what Dr. Sameer Parekh, he's the psychiatrist at the Fortis Healthcare. He has a very important advice for the parents out there. Listen in.
I think what we need to understand is that children would need stimulation. So what we as parents need to do is first ensure there is physical activity. Second, ensure that you have a lot of board games that you can play together. Bring a level of engagement to them, some fun, but you also need to appreciate that we need children to be positive. We need children to feel good and relaxed and have a routine. To have a routine, some online classes actually help. Even though I don't think there should be much academics there, but the fact that you have a routine, you are talking to your teacher, talking with your friends, staying connected actually helps.
Is your child sitting in a poor body posture, whether it's sitting on the bed, lying down or just crouching? I spoke to Dr. Manoj Sharma. He's a senior orthopedic surgeon at Apollo in Noida, and he had this to say about excessive screen time that can bear an impact on a child's body, especially the structure of the spine. Listen in.
It is advisable that children should be encouraged to take a good posture in spite of their screen activities. Apart from this, they should be led by parents to do more and more playful activities as exercises like skipping, squatting, hopscotch, jumping jacks, even push-ups, skipping ropes, and yoga obviously is going to be one of the best activities which would not require much of space.
So screen time is of course needed both for education and leisure to keep ourselves busy, but it must not have a negative impact on kids as well. It's important for us to ensure as we together battle the lockdown and COVID-19.